Hi everyone. I'm a printing worker at a real factory here in Vietnam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we handle mass production of stickers. From hundreds of thousands to millions of labels. Every month, specialized for three main industries: garment, electronics, and consumer goods. At our factory, we produce large volumes of stickers every month for international clients. These labels are essential for packaging, exporting, and inventory management across many different sectors. Factory: what kind of stickers are needed in the garment industry? In the garment industry, we produce size labels for shirts and pants, care and fabric composition labels, polybag export labels for US, Japan, Korea markets. We use high-speed printing machines with durable adhesive materials that stay intact during international shipping and handling. High voltage sign: what about the electronics industry? In the electronics sector, we provide barcode labels, serial number tags, waterproof, scratch-resistant labels, caution and technical information labels. We use specialized materials like silver foil, waterproof PVC, and heat-resistant clear decals, suitable for harsh industrial conditions. Shopping trolley: how about the consumer goods industry, FMCG? For FMCG products like food, cosmetics, beverages, and household goods, labels are used for branding and product information, QR codes for traceability, packaging decoration, and compliance. Many of our clients require that labels be pre-applied to products before export. So we maintain strict quality control, sharp print, strong adhesive, and consistent sizing for every order. Repeat button: our production process includes keycap 1: receive design files or help create them to match industry standards. Keycap 2: print using industrial flexo or multi-station offset machines. Keycap 3: choose appropriate materials for each industry and application. Keycap 4: post-processing, lamination, die cutting, roll or sheet, UV coating, corner rounding. Keycap 5: dual quality checks, by machine and manual inspection. Keycap 6: packaging and labeling for export, ready for DHL, FedEx, or UPS shipping. Megaphone: if your business is looking for a reliable mass sticker printing partner for industrial use in garments, electronics, or consumer packaging, feel free to leave a comment or get in touch with us. White right pointing backhand index. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for more real factory content from Vietnam's printing industry.